So today I will tell you the dangerous side effects of Gycodil EX. I'm your pharmacist, Dr. Abdur Rafy. I'm doctor of pharmacy. I have a specialty in pharmacy. I'm a drug expert and you're watching Rafy Healthcare channel. So let's start. Its brand name is Gycodil EX and its generic active pharmaceutical ingredients are ammonium chloride, licorice powder extract, Adatoda vesica and Malva sylvestris. Here they are present in this amount. Ammonium chloride is a chemical based ingredient and licorice powder, Adatoda vesica and Malva sylvestris are medicinal plants. Okay, so basically it's a cough and cold syrup, sugar free, non-sedative, non-alcoholic. It's an expectorant which is used to treat productive cough. It breaks down the and thins the mucus and also the phlegm, so it is taken out from the lungs. So it's a good cough syrup. Now let's discuss its side effects. It also has side effects. We have ammonium chloride here. Ammonium chloride usually cause metabolic acidosis, rashes and seizures, and it also causes mental confusion. Ammonium chloride can cause irritability and drowsiness also. If we talk about Adatoda vesica, that's a medicinal plant. It lowers the blood sugar level. So if any patient is diabetic, he should have a precaution while using it. Malva sylvestris causes stomach problems, nausea, which is the feeling of vomiting, and also vomiting itself, diarrhea also, and indigestion also. If we talk about licorice powder, that's a powder extract of licorice. So it can cause increased blood levels of aldosterone, which is a hormone. It can also cause headache, high blood pressure, and also cause heart problems. The licorice causes these side effects when you exceed the dose and the side effects appear. If you take it in normal dose or use in low dose, then this doesn't cause any side effects. A little bit which are not noticeable by the patient. Okay. It doesn't have too much side effects, but it has some side effects which I have mentioned. So you should be careful about it. Okay. I would advise you to consult your physician and pharmacist first before using it, so they know your case, that either you need this medicine or not, or you may need other medicine. Okay, so that's why always consult your pharmacist and physician first. Okay guys, please support me because I work very hard for you. You can support me by subscribing my channel and liking and sharing my video. I would be very grateful to you guys, so please guys support me. I work very hard for making these videos, so please guys support me. Thanks a lot. So I hope you found this video informative. Please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any question regarding this medicine or any kind of medicine, drop in the comment section. I will reply you. And now take care of yourself and always remember your pharmacist Dr. Abdur Rafy in your prayers. Allah Hafiz and take care.